Welcome to your iHome Smart Scale. In this video, we're going to cover some common questions for advanced troubleshooting. Let's get right into it. Why is my scale not functioning properly? Ensure the batteries are functioning correctly. Check if the metallic contacts in the battery compartment are touching the batteries and that they're not dirty or corroded. If they are, clean them with a cotton swab. Consider using new batteries to see if it resolves the issue. Why is the scale producing inconsistent weight readings? This might be due to several reasons. Ensure the scale is placed on a hard, flat surface. Check each sensor foot on the back to ensure nothing is stuck to the bottom of it. Try removing and reinserting the batteries to restart the scale. General troubleshooting tips. Check the batteries. Ensure that they're correctly inserted and sufficiently charged. Clean the scale. Inconsistent readings may be due to dirt or debris on the sensors. Clean the scale with a damp cloth and allow it to dry completely before use. Check the surface. The scale should be placed on a flat and stable surface to avoid inaccurate readings. Reset the scale. If the scale is malfunctioning, try resetting it to its default settings by removing and reinserting the batteries.